Welcome to Master Technical Drawing by Eric Isanga. In this lesson, we shall construct an angle of 30 degrees at a point on a straight line by bisecting a 60-degree angle. We begin with a horizontal line and the point A. First, we construct 60 degrees at A using the compass exactly as before. Now we bisect the 60-degree angle. We use 2 points the same distance r from A, point 1 on the horizontal line and point 2 on the 60-degree ray. With point 1 as center and the same radius r, we swing an arc to the right. With the same radius and point 2 as center, we swing a second arc, cutting the first at the point 3. With the aim ruler, we draw a line from A through point 3 and extend it. This line bisects the 60-degree angle. The angle at A is 30 degrees, half of 60. And that completes the construction of a 30-degree angle from 60 to 30.